In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build, save, and share filters in Jira. This handy skill will help you streamline your workflow and make your project management much more efficient. Let's get started. First, let's open Jira in your web browser. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you should see the main dashboard. This is where you can access all your projects, tasks, and more. On the left side of the screen, there's a menu filled with various options. Look for and click on the Filters option. This will take you to a page where you can manage all the filters you've created in Jira. Think of filters like advanced search queries that allow you to narrow down your tasks according to specific criteria. Next, on the Filters page, click on Search Work Items. This option enables you to begin composing a new filter by selecting different parameters. You'll be able to search through work items based on several criteria such as project, assignee, type, and status. Let's start by clicking on Project and choosing the one you'd like to filter items from. This is typically where your tasks are homed under. After selecting your project, click on Assignee and choose who you want to filter the tasks by. This step ensures that you can focus on tasks assigned to a specific team member or even yourself if needed. Now, proceed to the Type option and select the kind of issue you want to filter. For instance, you might be interested in bugs, tasks, or any other specific issue type. The next step is clicking on Status and selecting the current phase of the issues you're interested in. Whether it's in progress, to do, once, or done, this choice will narrow down your items further, making it easier to manage active tasks at different stages. By now, your filter should begin to take shape, providing a more focused view of the work items of interest. Click on Save Filter to preserve this search query for future use. You'll be prompted to type in a name for your filter. Choose something descriptive and memorable so you'll easily recognize it later. Additionally, enter a brief description to remind yourself or others about the filter's purpose or the criteria it encompasses whenever needed. Now that you've created and saved your filter, let's move on to sharing it. On the sharing options, decide who can view this filter by choosing a group, a user, or an organization that would benefit from the filtered information. Beyond viewers, you can also select specific editors for the filter. These are individuals who can modify the filter criteria later on if necessary. Lastly, to confirm all these settings, click on Save. Congratulations, you've successfully created, saved, and shared a filter in Jira. You now have a custom view into your work items, easily accessible whenever you need it. This powerful tool should prove invaluable in better managing your workflows and ensuring you're always on top of your tasks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our Jira tutorials to continue enhancing your project management skills.